How to connect iPhone to HP printer. Hey there! In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your iPhone to an HP printer quickly and easily. Whether your printer supports rPrint, the HP Smart app, or only Wi-Fi Direct, I'll show you all the steps you need to start printing right from your phone. Method 1. rPrint. Quick and easy. Let's start with the easiest way, using rPrint, which works on most modern HP printers. First, make sure your iPhone and HP printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open the file, photo, email or web page you want to print. Tap the share icon, that's the square with the arrow. Now, tap print. Choose your HP printer from the list. Adjust any settings if needed, then tap print. And done. Method 2. Using HP Smart app. If your printer doesn't support rPrint or you want more control, here's how to use the HP Smart app. Download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Open it and sign in or create an HP account. Now, make sure your iPhone and printer are on the same Wi-Fi. In the app, tap Add Printer and follow the instructions to connect. Once it's connected, you can print, scan, and manage your printer right from your phone. Method 3. Wi-Fi Direct. If there's no Wi-Fi network available, don't worry, use Wi-Fi Direct. On your printer, turn on Wi-Fi Direct. The name will usually start with HP Setup or Direct. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Wi-Fi and connect it to the network. Enter the password, then open your file and print as usual using rPrint or the HP Smart app. And that's it. Now you know how to connect your iPhone to any HP printer using 3 easy methods. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next time.